Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme with your own picture or photo on ULEFONE Note 7P, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, let's scroll down and find system. Click on the languages and input. Select virtual keyboard, tap on the Gboard, move to the theme and click right here. Right now we move to the gallery and we are able to pick up the picture that we want to set. I will go for this photo. Right now we can scale the picture. Click next, and here we can set up the transparency of the picture. Click done. And we are also able to turn on key borders by tapping right here. Click apply another time to use this theme, and right now, as you can see, our keyboard theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!